Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this is Jeff's Texan PL 880 radio. And it has something unique about the setup. Not the radio, but the setup. And I'm going to show it to you right now. I've never seen this before. I've never seen it before. Here is the battery. It's one of those big 3.7 volt batteries. That's what this radio requires. We're going to pull it out. And here's the battery. 3.7 volts. This is a model 18650 lithium battery. 2600 milliamp hours. And what's unique about this is right here it has a micro USB connector. What's that for? That's for charging the battery. So you don't have to have a battery cradle charger. You just hook in the cable, which I'm assuming comes with it, and then hook that to a 5 volt AC adapter or your computer and charge this. And they don't show up, but it has two LEDs. One red, which shows that it is charging, and then when it's fully charged, there's a green one. So you know that it's fully charged. And I've been using this radio for about 6 or 7 hours, and when I went to recharge this, it didn't need recharging. It was still full charge. It's recharged for about 5 minutes, that's it. So this is pretty cool. It's called Stream Light, and Jeff got these. He got two of them for $30 at Batteries Plus. Pretty cool. It eliminates the need for one of those bulky chargers. A little expensive, but if they really deliver the rated 2600 milliamp hours, and it's a good battery. That's it. I just wanted to show this to you. Jeff comes up with some unique things. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.